Why, hello there, guys. It's the Dancing Jump Bluff here, and I hope you're having a very acrobatic day. Today, on my Pokemon Red Randomizer Part 10, because yes, I said Part 8 last time, but it was really Part 9. My bad. Part 10. We are going to be going through the SSN and getting the HM cut. The team right now, one of my favorite Pokemons, well, favorite real-life animals that's a Pokemon in the game. Polar Bear, the Cubchoo, with Growl. We have Grim, the Spiritomb. After him, we have Samurai, the Samurott, with Megahorn. We have Reaper, the Dialga. And we have Jet Li, the Toxicroak. Gonna keep doing switch training with Polar Bear, so that way he can try to get caught up. Gonna come in here. Gonna head all the way over here to the right and head down. So I generally, whenever I do the SSN, I go all the way through the building. Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, I am recording this on my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. So I may get a text here or there, a notification may pop up. If you could, just ignore it. But nothing much happened. Just me and my wife. And Jet Li's gonna come in here and get some experience. Fantop. First, gonna lead off with Polar Bear for the switch training. I'm gonna switch into Jet Li. Cause Kung Fu. Cause everybody was Kung Fu fighting. Wah! As fast as lightning. And that Fantop is done. Barbarkle. Barbarkle. Going to switch into Jet Li. Sorry about that yawn, guys. Poison Sting. Not very effective, so I'm going to swap out. Let's go into Grim. I thought I switched into Grim. As he withdraws, I'm going to Confuse Ray to start off. That confusion. Nice. Now I'm going to Shadow Sneak it. Already broke Confusion. Confusion. Come on. Just die, Barbarkle. Come on. So guys, what is one of your favorite generations of Pokemon? Is it Gen 4 with Spiritomb in it? Or is it like mine and it being Gen 5? Because you get Haxorus in that gen. And yes, I really, really do love Haxorus. I wish he was one of the Pokemon that got a Mega in Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, or in X and Y whenever they first introduced it. Gonna switch into Jet Li. Poison Sting. And this Poison Sting should kill. And it does. Polar Bear is going to grow up to level 17 and learn a new move, guys. Learning those Fury Swipes. Nothing. We're going to come over here. I'm going to go ahead and use a potion and heal up Jet twice. I think that'll be fine. And then I'm going to come over here, fight this guy, and then try to get the item and see what we end up getting. Because items are randomized. A Roselia. I'm going to switch over into Samurai? Yeah, let's do it. Dunspoor, Megahorn. No! How dare you miss? Come on. Land this Megahorn. There you go. Gonna switch into Polar Bear. I'm not gonna fight anything yet. Gonna go into Jet Li. Pressing the wrong buttons. Ooh, that's guaranteed 20 damage. And right at that little brink of death if he were to Sonic Boom me. But no, he decided to go for tackle again? At least we won without a death. And I'm going to get TM28, which it's normally dig, but in this game it's randomized to minimize. Because no one needs a TM. Gonna come take this item first. Already have a TM09. Zap Cannon, which no one can learn. Then I'm gonna fight this sailor dude. The sailor wants to use an electrode. Let's go with Grim for the counter. I'm going to Hypnosis and Dream Eater. And then this will end up recovering some HP for Graham while almost killing the electrode. Oops. Sorry for all the mistakes, guys. Darkrai, I'm just gonna straight up keep in. Going to Confuse Ray. And then I'm going to Shadow Sneak. Reaper can take care of it. Okay, that's good. Darkrai's not doing much. I'm gonna T-bolt it. Ooh, a crit. That didn't need to happen, but it did, so that's nice. And Grim and Reaper both level up. We're going back into Reaper, Polar Bear. And then switch into Samurai. Because if I had switched into Jet Li and it used a confusion, it would have killed him. Oh, Samurai, stop messing with your Mega Horn. And that Sailor's down. Gonna walk out, go into this next room. Fight this guy. He wants to fight with a Tyrant. Samurai. Gonna use Water Pulse. Gonna use Water Pulse. And we get the kill, guys. And a level up. Avalug. If Jet Li actually had a fighting type move that on him, this would have been an easy battle. Crunch. Gonna eat it up with, and then dish it back out with a T-bolt. Nice little kill. Crustle. Going into Polar Bear to go into Samurai to Water Pulse this. It should eat up that Rock Blast. Come on, Samurai. You got this. Wow. 5 times. That was actually kind of scary. I thought Samurai was going to die. Polar Bear grows up a level, and we defeat the Sailor. Gonna go ahead and use the Super Potion, or a Super Potion. And then I'll use one on Jet Li. And then I'll top Samurai off with the regular potion. Yeah, that should be fine. Gonna come fight this guy. With his one Wingle. Because he obviously wants to be in Hoenn. Gonna go with Reaper. Miss, gonna make it harder to hit, but Thunderbolt hits true to its mark. Gets a little super effective KO. How much money do I actually have? 12K. Found an antidote. If it was a paralyzed heal, I probably would have used it right away. I come into this room. Gonna fight this guy. This old man. The old man that actually has hair. I'm gonna send out a fan tuck. Going to put gently in. And poison sting. Time is 2. Good job. Slash. Now that's gonna be some trouble. Hopefully he doesn't go for like a shadow snake or something on Grim. No, he goes for the head smash. That is great. I'm just gonna shadow sneak. And a kill. Nice. And gonna come out and go to the next room. Gonna fight this gentleman. I think he generally has Growlithe in the original, which is why his dialogue says, "Hey pup." I'm gonna go into Reaper for the Thunderbolt. And it kills. Good job. Floatle. Let's just go right on in to Samurott and Megahorn. Times 2. Huh, I'm a rude child, but you pay me. Gonna go to the next room. I think this is the room where you can talk to Lady and she lets you heal. Or no? Maybe that's only in Leaf Green. That room doesn't have anyone to fight. He loves his Pokemon. Yeah, the youngster loves his Pokemons. Masquerain. Should be easy. The Thunderbolt should kill. It's even super effective. Polar Bear goes up to level 20. Gonna fight this lady. She's a lass with a Celio. Is it Celio or Celio? Ha ha. Ha ha, bonjour. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, sorry, I was smacking myself around for the bad French jokes and all that. Just don't worry about it. I hit sense Grim in. Grim don't give a dang about your light screen. He just coming in and taking your name. For an X speed. Last room. Global police agent. Gonna head down to the kitchen. Gonna look in the trash cans and talk to the chefs. Found a full restore, that's nice. French chef. Hon 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 hon. Oh mon petit. Oh oui. Oui, little baguette. Sorry. I'll stop. I'm gonna come out of the chef's room. Head up the stairs. And sit in the corner. Well, guys, that is all for today. Please show your support by leaving a like, a comment on what I could do better, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's the Dancing Jump Bluff, floating away.